Hi everyone, Sophia here from Better Credit USA. Wanted to give a quick definition of S.O.L, which is Statute of Limitations. It does not mean shit out of luck, like one of my clients responded. So in the state of California, S.O.L, Statute of Limitations, is 4 years for creditor to take legal action against the borrower. Meaning, if you defaulted on a credit card, even a medical bill these days, and the creditor, whoever holds the note, have 4 years to take legal action against you. Usually they file small claims, but sometimes it's I see it's civil, and you get served with the summons. That's a request to appear in court to defend yourself, or you can work out a settlement stipulation with the creditor directly before this account goes into hearing, or before there's a court date. And I highly recommend that, because if you don't respond to it, or if you ignore it, or if you don't appear in court to defend yourself or work out a settlement, that petitioner can win by default, meaning there's no response from the defendant, so they win, and that turns into a judgment, and the judgment can then turn into wage garnishment and account levy, and you don't want to wake up to an empty account or have your wages garnished. It's a little embarrassing with your employer, which can jeopardize your employment as well. And the statute of limitations for the accounts to remain on the credit report is 7 years for negative items from the date of default or the last date of activity, whichever is the most recent. Now, for public records, it's 10 years. Judgments, bankruptcies, sometimes foreclosure or short sales can remain for up to 10 years. And it's also 10 years for positive accounts. So there you have it, statute of limitations, S.O.L. Meaning of it does not mean out of luck. So don't miss out on the statute of limitations. Act within the terms, within the time of statute of limitations. Oh, and if you have an inquiry on your credit report that you don't recognize or did not authorize, you have 30 days to dispute it, and you have to dispute it with the actual creditor, not with the bureaus, because you will lose time disputing it with the bureaus. You tell them it's not yours. They will reach out to the creditor, which you should do in first place, and the creditor is going to probably respond back to them and say, yeah, it's authorized, or yeah, we verified this inquiry, basically, which justify what they did. Doesn't mean this is accurate or legit. So, statute of limitations definition from yours truly, Sophia Karinova from Better Credit USA. Happy Friday. Oh, what's today? Wednesday. Bye.